Kami Aru kami çakır.
Bileyim kaç çakram ben onu. Çakrasır. O başka. Hello guys, how are you?
Hello teacher.
And well, I'm Kudaibergen teacher, and I was in a sentence according to structure. And what is it? Excuse me. The 4 types of sentence structure. It is simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. And the simple sentence. It is the next page, please. The simple sentence contains a subject and a predicate, expresses a complete thought. And for example, Gulnaz, please.
The boys went to the park.
Good. A simple sentence is also called an independent clause. And the next one, it is a complex. Compound sentence. Compound sentence contains 2 or more independent clauses. Clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. And for example, Umitgul, please.
So can you repeat? Sorry, can you repeat?
Read the example.
Compound.
Okay, the boy went to the park, but they did not go to the zoo.
Good job. Look for these conjunctions: for, and, but, or, yet. And the next one, it is complex sentences, contains an independent clause and a dependent clause. As a dependent clause begins with a subordinating conjunction, and for example, because the boys went to the park, they didn't go to the zoo. The boys didn't go to the zoo because they went to the park. And look for these subordinating conjunctions. It is after, before, because, when, since, and etc. And the next one is I will explain this complex sentence and structure, and we will the questions, please. The next one is task. Next page, Pasha, please. Tell whether the following sentences are simple, compound, complex, or compound complex. Gulnaz, please.
The bell rang. It is simple.
Good job. The next one, Erkebulan, please.
Paulo, the first part consists of the race, and Nika biked the second part. It's a compound.
Compound. Good job. The next one, Ahmed, please.
He sat at the bottom of the cliff while the climber moves up the rocks. Complete.
Complex.
And the next one, please.
May.
Please.
The skier turned and jumped. Simple sentence.
Simple. Good job. And the next one, Erkebulan.
Rubin passed the test because he studied hard and understood the material. The compound.
Good job, guys. And the next one is answer the questions. Gulnaz, What is depend clause?
It
Mhm.
a depend clause is a clause that cannot stand alone as a complete sentence because it doesn't express a complete thought. Like all clauses, a depend clause has a subject and a verb.
Mhm. Excellent. And
Independent clause. An independent clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. An independent clause is a sentence.
Excellent. And Akmaral, please. What are the four kinds of a sentence according to structure? Akmaral, Umitgul, Erkebulan. What are the four kinds of a sentence according to structure?
The first one is simple, compound, complete, and compound, complete.
Very good. And the next page, please. The next task, on a half sheet of paper, write on sentence each kind and underline the independent clause while include the independent clause. Then you send me. You send to me. Okay. And
Okay.
home task. Home task, write an essay about your likes and dislikes using the sentence structure.
Okay.
And what do you learn this lesson?
Learn
structure.
Sentences
Mhm.
and
And have a nice day.
thank
And
you.
Umitgul, please, observer Ernezar Umitgul, please your opinion.
Okay. In this lesson, same about the sentences according to structure and how four types of sentences structure like simple, compound, complex, and etc. Teachers' way of guidance can depend on students' understanding and encourage critical thinking and analysis, and also encourage students to think critically and reflect the students' their new ideals, thinking ability by asking open-ended question or performing a thinking task. So I like it, this lesson. Thank you.
Thank you. And the second observer, Inzhu, please, your opinion.
Thank you. Summing up the results of the lesson, I want to say that I really liked today's lesson and it was interesting. The students were active and well attended. Special thanks to Aruzhan. Obviously, he knows his job as a teacher. He was able to explain very well to the students the topic chosen today. And grammar and other exercises, assignments were was very interesting, and I can say that is a great opportunity for the students, and Oh,
your opportunities. Thank you very much. Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.
goodbye.
Bye.